English to Greek, have equals.
Έχω.
Conjugation crash course. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey do, yes, you. Ready to laugh, learn, and level up your Greek with Synapse Lingo? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master English, have, in Greek.
Έχω.
And its superhero sidekicks. Your goal today. You'll nail the full present tense set in just minutes. I have.
Έχω.
You, SG, have.
Έχεις.
He, she, it has.
Έχει.
We have.
Έχουμε.
You, plural, have.
Έχετε.
They have.
Έχουν.
Pro tip. Pronounce chi like a soft kh. Forms with rhythm. Clap lightly and say it with me. Rhythm makes memory sticky.
Έχω.
I have.
Έχεις.
You have.
Έχει.
He, she, it has.
Έχουμε.
We have.
Έχετε.
You all have.
Έχουν.
They have. Now whisper the chain once more, faster. Funny mini dialogue. Smile while you say it, humor boosts recall. A. Do you have the keys?
Έχεις τα κλειδιά.
B. Yes, I have them.
Ναι, έχω.
A. Great, he has the snacks.
Τέλεια, αυτός έχει τα snacks.
B. And she has the tickets.
Και αυτή έχει τα εισιτήρια.
A. The venue has Wi-Fi.
Ο χώρος έχει Wi-Fi.
Quick drills. Fast call and response, answer out loud. Say, I have a book.
Έχω ένα βιβλίο.
Say, do you, SG, have time?
Έχεις χρόνο.
Say, he has an idea.
Έχει μια ιδέα.
Say, we have a plan.
Έχουμε ένα σχέδιο.
Say, you, plural, have water.
Έχετε νερό.
Say, they have tickets.
Έχουν εισιτήρια.
Culture tip at the taverna. Use tiny phrases for big wins when ordering. Ask politely, do you have a menu in English?
Έχετε μενού στα αγγλικά.
Tech check. Does it have Wi-Fi?
Έχει Wi-Fi.
Joke with your friend. You have room for more me's?
Έχεις χώρο για άλλο μεζέ.
Remember, for groups, use.
Έχετε.
For one person.
Έχεις.
German bridge for memory. If you know German, use it as a stepping stone. German forms to anchor your memory. Haben, ich habe, du hast, hat, sie hat, es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. Map the idea of have to Greek. I, you, he, she, it, we, you all, they.
Έχω. Έχεις. Έχει. 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 Έχουμε. Έχετε. Έχουν.
Fun mnemonic. Have and grab, hear the echo.
Έχω.
Quiz time. Short and sweet, answer before the pause. Ch.1. Greek for, you, SG, have. A.
Έχεις.
Q2. Say, we have time. A.
Έχουμε χρόνο.
Q3. Translate, it has a window. A.
Έχει ένα παράθυρο.
Q4. Plural you. Do you have tickets? A.
Έχετε εισιτήρια.
Q5. They have water. A.
Έχουν νερό.
Final challenge and goodbye. One breath, all forms, then you're done. Chain it.
Έχω. Έχεις. Έχει. Έχουμε. Έχετε. Έχουν.
Now say two sentences of your own. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, have fun, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs from Synapse Lingo. You've got this, Malin.
Το έχεις.